Hey folks, this is Adam from 911reviews.com and we've got an amazing product for you. I know you're thinking, no way, Adam, there's no way you can come up with another innovative product that I need to have around the house. Look at the best thing I've found in months, possibly years. This thing should have been invented long ago. Product idea, it's absolutely amazing. This is it. What do you think it is, folks, huh? It's pretty amazing. This is a washable air filter. Look at this. So it's just like almost like a pillowcase air filter where it goes around a plastic frame that you basically just assemble, and you can put it in the washer or washer and dryer and actually wash your air filter. Now think about this. This comes to us from Airthreds.com. It's the first washable air filter for your house. Now, first off, how many times are you guilty of this? I know I am. I let that air filter go too long. This is my 3M air filter. I just pulled it out of the air conditioning unit, and it's dirty, it's disgusting. It's great, but it's $27 and you're supposed to replace it 4 times a year. That's $100 a year that I'm spending on air filters, 100 plus. Now I can go online and I can get one that I can wash and keep clean and use over and over again, and that's amazing. Because you know what they say? They say that not changing your air filter frequently enough can cause undue wear and tear on your air conditioner. Your air conditioner is one of the most expensive items in your house. On average in the United States, they cost between $5,000 and $6,000. And if you're using one of these and you're not cleaning them enough, those HEPA filters, they cause a lot of wear and tear on your very good air conditioning system that's very expensive. They're gonna wear out much sooner if you're not replacing them. Well, how easy is it to just wash a pillowcase, basically? I know it's not a pillowcase, it's much more advanced, it's much more technological than that, with tiny little HEPA filter type filtration. But it's as easy to wash as a pillowcase. How easy is that to do once a quarter? Super easy, right? You're gonna do your air conditioning unit a lot of good. They say if you clean your air filter, your furnace filter, that sort of thing, regularly, you can save 15% on your electricity bill. Your biggest use of electricity in your house, if you live in Florida like me, is gonna be your air conditioner. If you're up north, probably your furnace, right? Change out the furnace filter, change out the air filter regularly, and you're changing your life, you're saving electricity. And electricity isn't cheap. My bill this month to run the studio, the house, the hot tub, all the lights, over $200. Change this out, maybe I'll save $15, $20, $30. That would be awesome. So, pick one up. Amazon link in the description below. Airthreads, I'll put all the details, all the information in the description. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask me. And frankly, this right here, smartest innovation for houses that I've seen in decades. And frankly, you can go to the store, you can get a cheap air filter, you can get them for $8, $9, right? You get what you pay for. They don't really filter anything if they're not thin little holes here. Look at this. You can't see yourself, you can't see much behind it, you know? That's great. That means that it is actually able to filter. And when these tiny little holes start getting dirty, you just throw it in the washing machine, you throw it in the dryer, easy peasy lemon squeezy, and you've got yourself a brand new clean filter. This thing assembles super quick, super easy. You just order the size you need. It's like a little frame here, and it comes in the mail, so it's easy to deliver. You assemble it, you put the little pillowcase type of thing. I call it a pillowcase. That's probably, you know, sometimes brands are like, don't call it a pillowcase. It's not a pillowcase. This is an advanced piece of technology. This is a filter. It is what it is. It cleans as easy as a pillowcase in your washer or dryer, just zips on. And I don't know why somebody did not think of this a long time ago. Super easy, super awesome. Look at that, I just assembled it and put it together. It takes you seconds, and it's gonna save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars over its lifetime. So go ahead and pick one up. I think you're gonna love it. Links in the description below, all the details, and go ahead and leave me a comment. Tell me how much you love 911reviews.com, how much you like my videos, how much you think that I'm an awesome reviewer and I give you honest, cool reviews. and I find neat stuff for you. If you think this is a neat product, go ahead and click like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for all of my updates. We're back up in the studio. We went downstairs to the office, mixed it up. I think I like the studio. It's just fun up here. We change up the pictures, we change things up. Tell me with a comment below if you like the studio or the office. Thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, and adios, amigos.
And don't forget to subscribe to our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. So if you love gadgets and entertainment, then be sure to subscribe to 911 Reviews.